Hello there, remember the homework, Module 3. In Module 3, you're going to Stage 2. In Stage 2, you go down. So first you're going to watch these videos. These videos introduce the idea of the CO2 footprint. You take notes in your notebook so you remember vocabulary. And then you go down, and you're going to do this one. You're going to measure your carbon footprint. But to do so, remember to click on the video so the teacher explains how to do it. And remember, when you measure things, introduce real information. At the end, take a screenshot, and save it in your cell phone or whatever, because we're going to use it, okay, for the future infographic. Bye.